Workout in sofa, easiest way to lose belly fat. Let's jump into the first exercises. Exercise number 1, bench dips. Instructions: sit on the edge of a sturdy bench, placing your hands beside your hips, fingers pointing forward. Walk your feet forward, keeping them hip-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows to about 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your triceps and core. Benefits: bench dips primarily target the triceps, shoulders, and upper body. They engage the core muscles, promoting stability and aiding in the reduction of belly fat. Regular practice contributes to improved upper body strength and muscle definition. Exercise number 2, scapula dips. Instructions: sit on the edge of a bench with your hands gripping the edge. Lower your body by moving your shoulder blades down and back. Raise your body back up by retracting your shoulder blades. Benefits: scapula dips focus on the shoulder blades, strengthening the upper back and improving posture. This exercise engages the core, promoting a stable midsection and contributing to the overall reduction of belly fat. Exercise number 3, seated arm up down. Instructions: sit on the edge of the sofa with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms straight up, then lower them back down to shoulder height. Repeat the up and down motion while engaging your core for stability. Benefits: seated arm up downs target the arms and shoulders while engaging the core muscles. This seated exercise aids in burning calories, contributing to belly fat loss, and provides an effective alternative to standing workouts. Exercise number 4, seated bent over rows. Instructions: sit on the sofa with a slight forward lean, keeping your back straight. Hold dumbbells in each hand, palms facing each other. Pull the dumbbells towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the dumbbells back down with control. Benefits: seated bent over rows target the upper back muscles, enhancing overall back strength. Engaging the core during this exercise contributes to improved posture and supports the journey to lose belly fat. Exercise number 5, seated chest openers. Instructions: sit on the sofa with your spine tall and chest lifted. Clasp your hands behind your back, straightening your arms. Open your chest by lifting your arms slightly, feeling a stretch across the chest. Benefits: seated chest openers stretch the chest muscles, promoting flexibility and improved posture. This exercise contributes to toning the upper body and complements efforts to reduce belly fat. Exercise number 6, seated flutter kicks. Instructions: sit on the sofa with your back straight and hands resting beside you. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and alternate kicking them in a fluttering motion. Benefits: seated flutter kicks target the lower abdominal muscles, aiding in toning and strengthening the core. This exercise contributes to the overall reduction of belly fat and can be performed comfortably on the sofa. Exercise number 7, seated lateral arm raises. Instructions: sit on the sofa with a straight back and arms by your sides. Lift both arms out to the sides until they are parallel to the floor. Lower your arms back down with control. Benefits: seated lateral arm raises engage the shoulder muscles, promoting upper body strength and toning. This exercise, performed from the sofa, supports the goal of losing belly fat by engaging multiple muscle groups. Exercise number 8, seated plyo side lunge stretch. Instructions: sit on the sofa with your feet together. Step one foot to the side, bending the knee while keeping the other leg straight. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Benefits: the seated plyo side lunge stretch combines stretching and toning, promoting flexibility and engaging the muscles of the inner and outer thighs. This exercise contributes to overall body toning, supporting the journey to lose belly fat. Exercise number 9, seated triceps extensions. Instructions: sit on the sofa with a straight back and hold a dumbbell with both hands overhead. Lower the dumbbell behind your head, bending your elbows. Extend your arms back to the starting position, engaging the triceps. Benefits: seated triceps extensions target and tone the triceps, contributing to sculpted arms. Engaging the triceps also supports overall upper body strength and complements efforts to reduce belly fat. Exercise number 10, stretching. Hip flexor stretch, rear foot elevated. Instructions: sit on the edge of the sofa with one foot on the floor and the other foot elevated on a surface behind you. Lean forward slightly, feeling a stretch in the front of the hip of the elevated leg. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and switch sides. Benefits: the hip flexor stretch with the rear foot elevated improves flexibility and targets the hip muscles. This stretch supports overall mobility and contributes to a healthy, active lifestyle, aligning with the goal of losing belly fat. Remember, your journey to a flat belly begins right here on the sofa. These exercises are not just about burning calories, they're about transforming the way you approach fitness. So, keep sweating, stay committed, and let's redefine comfort with every move. Until next time, stay active, stay awesome, and embrace the power of the sofa workout.